Hello, my name is Kauyan Kolev. I'm chef instructor in Culinary Arts Institute, part of Varna University of Management. I have nearly 20 years of experience in the culinary industry. I've been traveling the world. I started my career in Alaska. I'm from Bulgaria. I've worked, of course, a little bit in Bulgaria. I've been in Norway. I've been in Middle East in Qatar. And recently now, starting 8th year, I'm working in Culinary Arts Institute. A typical week in CAI is 5 days, of course, starting with the theoretical classes. We do different thematics every week. At the end of the week, we do an event, which includes a dinner serving real customers. We go around the world with different thematics, as I said, like, for example, a French week. That means we're gonna create a menu, we're gonna teach the theoretical part. Then we're gonna go into the kitchen for 2 days. We're gonna practically show the students how the menu is done, every single technique. We're gonna write down all the measurements because we also cost the recipes. And then we send the students, so according to the reservations, to shop by themselves, because this is part of the program. It's very important, the chef to choose the products. Also, it's a business site that, you can see the good products, bad products, decide something that will be good at the same time profitable. And then at the day of the fifth day of the event, the students do all the mise en place, and then they send the food to the customers, with us observing, of course, and helping if needed. We are very active in participating in different events, competitions, and so on. Every year is different because there is different opportunities, but we try to show that have quite high standard of teaching, and this shows on these competitions because 90% of the cases we are winning, or let's say we are in top 3. So that's not the most important part, but anyway, we are very active. As I said, we do caterings, we do different events, presentation. We also take the students with us so we can show them this different type of setting up, of organizing. It's very important because our field is very wide, and the more you see, better for you. So if you want to compete, come with us. I think international experience in our profession is a must, because it's not just about that you're gonna learn different cooking skills, but you're gonna learn another culture, which makes you even a better person. And in general, our profession is to nurture people. So the better person you are, the more you know, the more cultures you know, you understand people more, and this makes you a better chef. I think we have a very strong program, and we give a very, very solid basics. And this is the most important thing, because if you have a strong ground level, then you can build up, and it's easy to build up. Just really depends on you how much you're gonna take. I think nowadays in Bulgaria, we need a lot of people in tourism. So this profession is just gonna go higher and higher level, and a lot of people is gonna be needed. And we already have actually a lot of our students running restaurants, especially here in Varna, where it's the university. We have more than 10 restaurants already run by our graduate students. And if you push yourself, and if you study, and if you listen to what we say, our advices, and if you need our support, we always give. And I think you will succeed in Bulgaria, and not only in Bulgaria. Zero waste, this is something now like a trend, but this is actually something that we always been doing, because zero waste is not only protecting the environment and making better your surroundings, but it's also a business model. Of course, every waste that you have goes in the bin. It's money out of your pocket. So we are implying this, and we use different methods about it. I'm not gonna go specific because it's a very long story, but we are very big on zero waste.